I've been wanting to make a bench with thicker 4x4 legs. I got those pallet wood 4x4s, but you can do this from 4x4s, pressure treated or not. The rest is just 3 normal 2x4s. Let's make a bench that sells for a ton more than it costs to make. My 4x4 is not very square, but it looks awesome. First thing I'll do is cut my legs half an inch longer. Cut this wood square and all the same, then cut them at their final length. I start by marking all the faces, else this will get confusing real quick. Once I got 2 faces erased, I know I got my square edge. On the planer, I plane the opposite sides, then make them all the same size. Whatever that ends up with, which will be plenty because my 4x4s were almost 5x5s. Massive pallet wood posts. Finally, back on the miter saw, I get the legs to their final size. Now all nice and square. The rest of the cuts are simple, to make the frame at 3.5 and 32.5. Take 2 of the 2x4s and cut them in half, or an inch or so longer than what you want, giving you a chance to trim it once it's glued up. I'm making a 41-inch long bench. For a full build guide, cut list, and instructions to build this without the video, check the YouTube membership option in the description. Members only video soon, the first one is ready. While at it, please like and subscribe, it helps the channel a ton. Thanks to all subscribers. Before moving forward with the frame, I like to do my glue up for the bench top now. For those parts, I run them on the Jordan, else you get a glue up that looks like 2x4s, instead of a nice smooth pine panel like this will give. I ran them with 2 aggressive passes, leaving plenty of wood for the bench top. My dust collector stopped pulling towards the end, and that usually means it's full. I love my new DeWalt HEPA system, but the container at 8 gallons is not huge. It fills up pretty fast. I have to do this about twice a week, I'd say, but it sure works well. On the table saw, I cut the opposite side at 3 inches. leaving me with a 12-inch seat with the 4 boards. Get the 4 parts, put them in order that you want, and a simple glue up. Clamp it up, put it aside. Using plastic clamps and not too much pressure at this thickness avoids the twisting problems. This bench uses pocket screws, and if you've been watching my channel, you know I don't use those a lot for benches. But they make sense here, well hidden and out of sight and strong. Put 2 on each end of the tiny 3-inch parts and the same for the 32-inch parts. But for those, put some all along one side, one face towards one direction, which will be the bench top. I did 4 on each board. To assemble the sides of the legs, go and cut some of the parts from the offcut of the table saw, or anything to have about 1/4 inch of spacing. Glue and clamp the legs with the pocket holes down towards the 1/4 inch spacing at the top of the legs. This will give them a little bit more of a clean connection while letting you screw them properly. Carefully flip this over and screw it with pocket screws. Stand it up, get clamps in place, and align by hand and eye the longer 32-inch parts. Do the same again, glue them, clamp them, and screw them. This completes the frame, and by now your bench top should be dry enough to go plane it down. And by down I mean barely. Just get both sides flat. I like it thick for this bench. Back to the miter saw, cut it at 41 inches, trim both sides or whatever length you decide on, but trim it nice and square. Assembling this bench could be simpler. Align the bench top nicest face down and add plenty of glue all along the top of the frame. Then quickly flip it over and center it on the bench top. Screw the pocket holes, and that's it for assembly. Flip the bench upside down, give it a good sanding, and same for the top. It's now ready to finish. Remember to give it a good chamfer on the edges. Using my Dex finish, which should come out a little more orange as this wood is a lot more yellow than my dark deck, but let's try it. I'm stinging it and finishing it. I love this product after a second coat. It really pops and protects against water. That's it for this bench. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you next time.